again, welcome back. Today we're going to be putting crystals on this headband, and these are all the items that you're going to need, and let's just get right in. First, applying the E6000 glue, then we're going to place each stone in order. At first I started doing them right across straight instead of at an angle, and that didn't really work because it needs 4 stones across and only 3 fit across this way and don't really finish it off. There's still too much of the back material showing, so I ended up changing that and doing them at an angle, as you'll see as we continue. Of course, how many will fit is going to vary just because of the size headband you're using and the size stones you may be using. But for this one, it worked to do them at an angle because I needed to fit 4 across. Of course, you are going to need to make sure that you, when you get your supplies, that you measure everything out so that everything fits correctly, and then you'll know the angle that you need to put them on. It'll just make it easier for you if you know your sizing before you start doing this. I've already worn this a couple times, and people have loved it. They ask me where I got it from. I tell them I made it, and then they're always amazed. Now, I obviously cut out a lot of the stone application because this video would have been too long, and I doubt anybody wants to see every single stone put on, but I at least wanted to show you how I make them, and just to, teach you if you want to do it yourself, and just kind of show you how much work goes into it. Even though you don't actually get to see how much time goes into it, it really is a lot of time that goes into making one of these. Let me know in the comments if you think that there's too much time just adding stones to this, or if it's satisfying to watch for you as much as it is for me, just seeing it come together. We're getting down to the end. Let me just know what you thought of the video. Let me know if it went on too long or if you just enjoyed watching it. I would really like to know and kind of see what my audience wants to see. If things like this are just boring, or if you actually like watching them as much as I do, let me know. Thank you for watching the video and for taking your time spending it on what I make, what I love to create. And consider subscribing if you like this kind of thing, and just watch for the beautiful finish right here at the end. Thank you for watching. God bless you and have a great day.